Hi, in this lesson, we'll look at two additional list methods we can use to alter the contents of our lists. Here we have our list of 5 students waiting to get into school. What if we wanted to reverse the order of students in line? So John, who used to be at index 0, is now at index 4, and Remy, who was at the back of the line at index 4, is now first at index 0. To do this in one simple step, we can use the reverse method. To use this method, we write the name of the list and use dot notation to call the reverse method without anything inside the parentheses. So if we were starting with our list where John is first and want to switch the order so that Remy is first, we simply use the command names.reverse, and the order of items in the list will be in reverse order. Now, what if students were actually let into school in alphabetical order? Is there a way we can quickly sort the list this way? Yes, the sort method will help us do just that. If we call the sort method on a list, the items in the list will be sorted, either from least to greatest or in alphabetical order. You may recall that we can include items of various types in our list. So what if we have an item which is the number 9, and another item that is a word starting with the letter D? How would we know which order Python will sort these items? Well, Python follows this list when sorting values. Some characters come first, then numbers 0 through 9. Some other characters follow, and then the alphabet in capital letters, followed by more characters, the alphabet in lowercase letters, and the last characters. What this means is that numbers will always come before words, and words that start with capital letters will always come before those using lowercase letters. We'll take a deeper look at this in an example, but first, let's revisit our students in line. In order to get our students in alphabetical order, first we can see that each name is starting with a capital letter, so we know they will sort in correct alphabetical order. If we call the sort method on the names list, our items will be sorted alphabetically. In this lesson, we learned how to use the reverse and sort methods with items in our lists. Now it's your turn to give them a try.